In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoom with GoHighLevel. By the end of this walkthrough, you will have Zoom connected so you can start using it inside your workflows and automations without any tech confusion. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and make sure you're in the correct location or sub-account where you want Zoom to be connected. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the App Marketplace. This is usually found in the left-hand menu. Go ahead and click on App Marketplace to open the library of available integrations. When the App Marketplace loads, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click inside that search bar and type Zoom. Give it a moment and GoHighLevel will filter the results to show you all the Zoom-related apps that are available. From the list of results, look specifically for the option labeled Zoom for Workflows. This is the integration that allows you to connect Zoom directly into your automated workflows, so you can do things like automatically create Zoom meetings when a lead books an appointment. Once you find Zoom for Workflows, click on it to open the App Details page. On the App Details page, you'll see more information about what this integration does, as well as an install button. Before you click install, just double check that you're in the right account or location, because the integration will be tied to that specific area. When you're ready, click on install. After you click install, GoHighLevel will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. This is where you will connect your Zoom account. Typically, you'll be redirected to Zoom's authorization page, where you may be asked to log into your Zoom account if you're not already logged in. Make sure you're using the Zoom account you want associated with your workflows, especially if you manage more than one. You'll then be asked to grant permission for GoHighLevel to access your Zoom account. Read through the permissions so you understand what's being allowed, and then confirm or authorize the connection. Once you approve the access, you'll be sent back to GoHighLevel, and the integration should complete automatically. If everything goes smoothly, you'll now see Zoom listed as an active integration